Thank you all for joining us here today. It's interesting that we're doing this today because yesterday we were on a conference call. I, as the governor of Colorado, was on a conference call with the Secretary of Health and Human Services, Kathleen Sebelius. The purpose of that was to talk about a grant program of the federal government to encourage states to enroll children who are entitled either under Medicaid or under the CHIP program who really qualify for that but are unenrolled, and because they're unenrolled, they're uninsured. And healthcare has to be thinking about this from every single aspect, from thinking about the very young to the elderly. And today we're here focusing on sort of a different age population, but we're still talking about this notion that healthcare matters and it matters to all. I want to also add my thanks to Tammy and Bonnie for your story and for really your meaningful presentation. Aaron, thank you for your remarks about the substance of long-term care. And to Senator Rupert, she may have been born in 1926, but I think she's still a poster child for why term limits is such a bad idea. So thank you, Senator Rupert. And actually, I'll say that I don't think there are many things that are decisions we make that are more important than really taking care of our health. I do my best to make healthy decisions. I really encourage people to do the same. One of the ways I do that is biking. This bike that is sitting in front of the podium, I was on at 5:45 this morning with a group of people who are far healthier than me, but really keep me honest. So I believe that it is possible for us to, in a variety of ways, own our own future. And I do that through my own business of exercise and the kinds of recreational activities that we have in Colorado. We are one of the fittest states in the country and one of the healthiest states in the country, but part of that comes from the people of this state understanding that we can own our future. And that's why I encourage you today to own your future. You can do this by making healthy decisions and by planning for your future with your family. While biking and being active will hopefully keep me healthy for a long time, getting older is a fact of life, and it's the right thing to do to be prepared. So today, Colorado is launching Own Your Future as a campaign. Colorado's entered into a partnership with the private insurance industry to help Coloradans plan for future long-term care needs without depleting all of their assets. The goal of the program is to reduce the growing number of Colorado's aging population who rely on the public sector for their long-term care by increasing private sector involvement. In about 1 week, Coloradans aged 45 to 65 will be receiving a letter from me about the Own Your Future campaign. Be on the lookout for your letter. It will include information about how to order a free planning kit as a first step to managing your future long-term care needs. The planning kit is a great tool designed to help Coloradans make smart, safe decisions about long-term care. Colorado will also be holding a series of upcoming regional forums to answer all of your questions about long-term care. At the forums, you can learn about local resources to help meet your future long-term care needs. You can order your free planning kit today by calling 1-866-PLAN-LTC. So 1-866-PLAN-LTC. You can also visit ownyourfuturecolorado.org today to order your kit and find out about upcoming forums in your area. Really thank you all for joining us today. I want to send a special thanks to the Department of Healthcare, Policy and Financing, to the Division of Insurance, to the Department of Human Services, the Division of Aging and Adult. To take this opportunity to thank the Colorado Health Foundation, the Long-Term Care Forum, and other partners, legislators, and supporters who have made this campaign possible. Finally, let me invite you to visit the resource table at the top and bottom of the steps today for more information on long-term care planning and healthy aging. Thank you, and spread the word that we as Coloradans should all own our own future by being part of the Own Your Future campaign. Thank you very much.